Hello guys, welcome to Mixing Tips with Mandel Johnson. Today we are going to be discussing on something special, but make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, pre-fader metering or post-fader metering, which is better and which is good? Check this. So I'm going to raise this volume. I'll just play this lead here. Now observe my mixer. There's no other track. You can't see any other track levels, right? Now that is because there are two forms of metering. There is pre-fader metering and there's post-fader metering. This is post-fader metering. So what's happening is your channel is metering post the fader. Now let me show you pre-fader metering. I come up to mix, up here mix, I am pre-fader metering. You see ticked. Now you see that the meter comes before the fader. What happens here is this is showing you exactly the exact level of your audio signal, like so it is not affected by volume. So you know when you are clipping easily you find out when you are clipping. So I hope this helps you in your mix to really identify. This is going to help you do a good proper gain stage, you see. So I see this level and I would really like to have good headroom before I start mixing. So I drop these gains a little bit. Let me take it minus. Now you see minus 10 dB, fine. Good headroom. I have good headroom for mix. Minus 12, good. You see, so I am sure this audio signal is not clipping. I am. Alright, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and drop your question below. Cheers, enjoy, like and subscribe.